Where did bruh man stay? Bruh man, where did he stay?
Who's bruh man?
Oh my goodness! You failed test number 1. Where was Will Smith from in The Fresh Prince? No, oh, don't look nowhere. Where was he from? Black test failed again. Test number 2. Where was he from, DG? Where? Wait. If Dylan knows this one, then we have to take Isaac's black card for life. Dylan, no, wait. Answer the question, Dylan. Where was bruh man from?
I already heard the answer, though.
Okay. Where was Will Smith in The Fresh Prince? Where was he from?
Where was he from?
Yeah.
West Philadelphia.
Oh my goodness! Take it away! Take it away!